Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're not receiving this update, that is KB5079391 on your Windows 11 computer, because this is a known issue right now. So if you go to Microsoft website for this update KB5079391, and if you see the known issue in this update, here you can see rollout of this update is temporarily paused due to installation error, that is 0x800-73712. Some device may encounter the following error while installing this update. So because of this error, right now this is paused. So that's why you are not receiving this error. But I think you will receive the normal rollout very soon once the update becomes stable. So that's the reason you are not receiving this update. Now, still you want to install it. In that case, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079391, and then click on search. On this page, now first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, and then click on WinVer run command. And in my case, the version is 25H2. So check your Windows version and then go to System in Windows settings, scroll down, go to About option. And here you check the system type. For me, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download. Now click on KB5079391. Click on it and let the download complete. This will take some time, and once the download is complete, you can run this file. Now once the download is complete, you can click on this file. Now here you can see preparing the installation. Let it complete. Now when you receive this prompt which says, do you want to install the following update, that is KB5079391, click on yes, and again let the process complete. This will take some time. Now over here you can see the updates are being installed, so let the process complete. Now once the installation is complete, you have to restart your computer. So click on restart now. Now after the system restart, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. If you go to Update History, you should be able to see the update installed. So this is how you can install this update. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time. And if you don't want to install manually from the update catalog, then you can wait for the Microsoft to fix the problem, and you should be able to see the update and you can install it from here. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.